Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jake back with another boat walkthrough video. Today I have the pleasure of showing you a very unique style boat. This is the 22-foot cruiser offered by C-DORY. The 22-foot cruiser is C-DORY's most successful line that they've produced. Originally, the first one was brought out in 1987, and throughout the years of the demand and the popularity of this model, they've kept up with the modern construction to make it durable and eye-appealing like most modern boats. By definition, this is a flat bottom boat. However, in the front you do see that there is a V entry point with a very high flare. This offers much smoother entry into the next wake. These reverse chines are aggressive and do a great job of pushing the water out to the side, giving you a dry ride. Now, like I mentioned, this is a flat bottom boat, so you only need 7 inches of water for this boat to actually float. This will allow you to go anywhere throughout your cruising day that you want to go to. This is an awesome daytime cruising boat, allowing you to go from anywhere from here in Panama City all the way over to Apalachicola, Destin, hit the intercoastal way with your family, and you can go over there for a nice evening dinner or lunch. Now that we talked about on the outside, let's hop up in it and I can show you more. And now that I'm back up in here into the cabin of the boat, this one is powered by a 90 horsepower Yamaha 2-stroke. Now this is bulletproof outboard motor. It's lightweight, high power. It's a very sought after motor just given the weight and the power distribution that it does give. And just notice the amount of back deck space that we have here. This is great for being able to rearrange your chairs, your coolers, just to put a great social setting for when you're out at the island, sandbar, or wherever your point of destination may be for that day. You can set it up to fit wherever you're at. Now, back here on the port and starboard side, they will have 2 gas tanks that you would need to fill up. On each side as well, there's 2 additional storage compartments that have drain plugs in them, so you don't have to worry about them being filled with water. It drains right out. And then this is also, the owners decided to add this canopy top on after they bought the boat, just to give the shade extension all the way to the back of the boat, keeping you comfortable no matter where you're at and throughout all the elements. Now that we've talked a little bit about here, let's hop into the cabin. I can show you some more. And now that we're in the cabin of the boat, just notice how it's set up very well for spending multiple days out on the water. As you can see, this does have a dining table-esque feel. This does drop down to form a filler cushion for an extra bed if you wanted to take another family with you. Down in here is going to be your main bedroom for you and your spouse. This also is where the porta potty will go. Back into this section of the boat, this does have a stovetop and a sink, allowing you to cook your food, wash your dishes, and really give you that chance to stay out on the boat for multiple days. This is an excellent cruising boat for just being able to spend a lot of time with your family, as well as explore new areas of waterways that you may not feel comfortable with, given, as I mentioned earlier, you only need 7 inches to draft this boat. So you're really not bound to certain areas of waterways. You can go far up the river beds with the aggressive V and the flare. You can take the waters that we have here in the Gulf of Mexico, which do pick up pretty steady, but this boat is more than capable of handling all of that. If you want to know any more information about it, stop by and see me. Again, my name is Jacob Wright here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida. If you like this video, give us a like, check out all of our social medias. If you want to give me a call, my contact number is 850-819-9106. Thank you guys.